Hello students, this is class 3rd. Class 3rd, subject GSC, and today date is 1st July 2021. We are studying lesson 13, air and water. Lesson 13, air and water. We are studying this lesson. Last time we told as air surrounds us, it is a mixture of the gases. It has weight and it occupies space. It is necessary for respiration. Without air, we cannot respire. Now, few properties we have to study. Today we have to study what air contains. What air contains. What air contains. What air contains? I told you last time. Air contains water vapor. Air contains gases. Air contains smoke. Air contains germs, etc., etc. So we have to discuss one by one in detail. First, air contains water vapor. First one is air contains water vapor. Air contains water vapor. First, one activity is given here. Take some ice cubes. You are familiar to ice cube. When you keep the water in the fridge, easily you can get the ice cubes. Ice cubes are made of water. Put some ice cubes in a glass. Place it on a table. Soon you will see some water drops sticking on to the outer part of the glass. Where does this water come from? This water did not leak through the glass. It comes from the air. Air contains water in the form of water vapor. We cannot see it, but when it cools, it becomes water again. So you can do this activity. take a glass and in the glass you keep ice cubes. Ice cubes are the pieces of the ice Now this is glass. In glass we have kept ice cube. This is ice cubes and this is glass. After sometimes you will find water drops sticking on the outer surface of the glass. So next time what you will find, this is glass and these are ice cubes. Same glass is there. It is ice cube and you will find water drops. You will find on the water drops on the surface only in this region. You will see water drops on the surface of the glass. These are water drops. Water drops appears on the surface of glass. So see here, this is glass containing ice cube. After some time, we observe water drops on the outer surface of the glass. The question arises, from where these water drops come. These water drops are come by the leakage of the glass? No. Only in this region water drops are appeared. So water is present in the form of water vapors into the atmosphere. We cannot observe these water vapors in the atmosphere, but when this water comes in the contact with the cold object, they condense in the form of water drops. So these are the water drops appeared. It is another thing that the amount of water vapors varies in different seasons. Rainy season, its amount is more, while in the summer season, its amount is very less. No doubt, if ice cube is not available, simply you take the extremely cold water from the fridge and you will see that on the surface of the outer surface of the glass, water drops appear up to the level of the water only. Suppose we are taking this is cold water. It is cold water. Up to this level, we took the cold water. Cold water is taken up to this level. This is cold water. If you take the cold water, every day you see in your life this process. So you observe that the water drops will be appeared on the outer surface of the glass. Up to this level only. Water drops is not found in this level, only this level is there because water is there and water is extremely cold. So that water drops is appeared here as water vapors condense. So thank you, that's for today only.